Deep in the forests of India lives a mysterious and misunderstood animal, the Indian sloth bear. With its shaggy coat, long snout, and unusual habits, it looks like a character straight out of a fairy tale. But don't let its clumsy looks fool you. This is a smart, fearless, and ancient survivor of the wild. Today, I am going to tell you some very interesting facts about this amazing wild animal that you might not be knowing. Let's start. It has missing front teeth on purpose. Yes, sloth bears are born without upper incisors. This isn't a defect, but a brilliant evolutionary adaptation. Indian sloth bear is very fond of termites and ants of the forests. Missing front teeth helps them suck up ants and termites more efficiently, like drinking through a straw. The cubs ride on mom's back for months. Yes, cubs of Indian sloth bear ride on their mother's back for up to 6 months. The cubs remain clinging on their mother's back even when she runs or climbs trees. They are the only bear species in the world to carry their young this way. This is a brilliant example of mother's care. Indian sloth bears use tools. Yes, some Indian sloth bear have been observed using sticks to dig or to knock down honeycombs and termite mounds, so that they can drink honey or eat termites, their preferred food. This reflects a sign of problem-solving intelligence in them. They have a bear body, but not bear DNA. Genetically, Indian sloth bears are so unique that they don't fit neatly into the bear family tree. They're more primitive in some ways, evolving separately due to India's geography and tropical climate. That is the reason they do not hibernate as the bears of cold climates in the world. Their nose is a super sniffer. Their sense of smell is stronger than dogs. They can sniff out termites underground or even fruit from miles away. The nasal canal of Indian sloth bear is not straight but zigzag. Due to this adaptation, area and length of the olfactory region increases. Therefore, the part of the brain responsible for smell, olfactory bulb, becomes more developed. So they can smell the termite mounds and fruits from a distance of several hundreds meters. Indian sloth bears are excellent tree climbers. Despite their heavy body and shaggy look, sloth bears are agile climbers and often climb trees to raid beehives. Their love for honey forces them to climb a tree and will bravely face bees for a taste. Indian sloth bear communicates with snorts, grunts and woofs. Sloth bears are very vocal. They grunt, snort, snarl, and even make a woof sound to communicate. It's like a full jungle orchestra, sometimes used to scare off tigers. Such sounds are also made to keep the humans away when they feel threatened. Indian sloth bear doesn't hibernate like other bears. Despite being a bear, it doesn't hibernate. Like the bears living in colder regions of the world, like the bears living in temperate or Arctic regions like North America, Europe, or Northern Asia. This is the way they not only protect them from extreme cold but also from the food shortage. Because India doesn't have extremely cold winters, the sloth bear remains active year-round, especially at night. Their fur is a shield. Their thick, long, shaggy black or brown fur is coarse and almost thorn-proof, helping them survive bites from ants, bees, and thorny bushes. This facilitates their movement through thorny bushes in the forests. This is the reason they are fearless against the honey bees and boldly raid and drink honey from the honeycomb. More dangerous than tigers for humans. In some parts of central and eastern India, sloth bears are responsible for more human attacks than tigers or leopards, especially when surprised or protecting cubs. So, When it is known that sloth bear is in the area, especially with cubs, precautions should be taken to avoid this magnificent animal. India's sloth bear is not just adorable, it's intelligent, emotional, and full of surprises. Let us know them, understand their survival tactics, and protect them. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, and share it. Thanks for watching.